Hello kiddos, welcome to Kiddo classroom. Today we learn about helping verbs is and are. Is and are. First we learn about is. Is. It is used as helping verb with single noun and pronouns as he, she, and it. Let's use it in sentences for more practice. Ali is a teacher. Ali is a teacher. Here is used as helping verb. Ali is a teacher. Ali एक उस्ताद है. Ali is a teacher. Next sentences. Sadia is a nurse. Sadia is a nurse. Here use is. Sadia is a nurse. Sadia एक नर्स है. He is a player. He is a player. Here is used with he as helping verb. He is a player. वो एक खिलाड़ी है. He is a player. She is a student. She is a student. Here is used after she. She is a student. वो एक तालबा है. She is a student. Dears, here he is a boy. He is a boy. Here use is. He is a boy. वो एक लड़का है. He is a boy. वो एक लड़का है. It is my book. It is my book. It is my book. ये मेरी किताब है. Here is used after it. It is my book. ये मेरी किताब है. Dears, make more sentences using is. For more practice, subscribe our channel. See you in next video. Allah Hafiz.